This one's here for headers. It's got exhaust. I'm gonna put some headers on it. Headers are back here. American Racing. We'll see how it sounds after we get these installed. I like the color of the truck, real nice color. Some nice wheels on it. I think this is the way the truck should use. A daily driver truck, I think this is a great look right here. Good stance, not too high, not too low. Perfect. All right, headers have been installed. Let's see what it sounds like. I like the startup. All right, American Racing headers. And customers got a nice dual setup here. Orla.